Tired of setting goals that never seem to materialize? Wondering why your vision board looks the same year after year? It's time to unlock your mind's power with affirmations and start turning those dreams into your reality. Affirmations are short, powerful statements that help shift your mindset and beliefs. When used correctly, they rewire your subconscious, replacing doubt with confidence and fear with possibility. Science backs this up. Studies show that regularly repeating affirmations can change the neural pathways in your brain. That's how you move from "I can't" to "I absolutely can." Think about someone who was told they'd never make it, but every day they said, "I am capable, I am focused, I will achieve this." Eventually, they did. That's the power of belief in action. Creating affirmations is simple, but it has to be intentional. Here's the formula. Use the present tense. Focus on the positive. Include specific goals and emotions. Instead of saying, "I want to be confident," say, "I am confident and capable in every challenge I face." Want to grow your business? Say, "I attract the right clients and opportunities every day. I am thriving." Write them down. Speak them out loud. Let them become your truth. Consistency is key. Affirmations work best when they're part of your daily routine. Repeat them each morning as you get ready. Say them at night before bed. Whisper them during meditation. Write them in your journal. You can even set reminders on your phone to pause and affirm your goals during the day. Make affirmations a natural part of your rhythm, and you'll start seeing natural change in your life. Not sure where to start? Here are 10 powerful affirmations to begin using today.
I am fully capable of achieving my goals. I take consistent action toward my dreams every day. I attract the opportunities and people I need for success. I believe in myself and my ability to grow. My goals are clear, and I pursue them with passion. Each step I take brings me closer to my vision. I am disciplined, focused, and committed. I release fear and embrace progress. I trust that the right doors are opening for me. I am becoming the person I need to be to reach my goals.
Speak them aloud, write them down, let them become your truth. Here's the secret ingredient: belief. You can say affirmations all day, but without belief, they're just words, even if it feels awkward at first. Speak with faith. Trust that your mind and spirit are listening. Some of the most successful people didn't start with perfect circumstances. They started with belief, and they repeated that belief daily until it manifested as truth.